Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Kadence CR530 spinning rod. This rod is ideal for game fish including freshwater fish like bass, walleye and trout, as well as popular inshore species like redfish, speckled trout and flounder with a rinse after fishing. You'll get a carbon fiber rod with stainless steel guides with silicon carbide inserts. Allegedly, the SiC rings reduce friction and improve heat dissipation. The truth is that the CR530 casts with ease, and the blank acts like a highway for vibrations. You will feel even the slightest of nibbles. You can choose between multiple lengths, power, and action combinations. But light and ultralight models would always be our favorites for trout fishing. Kadence offers a two-piece version of the longer poles for those looking for a portable trout fishing pole. Kadence fishing poles offer high-performance premium features at an unbeatable value. Fishing with quality, dependable gear should not mean breaking the bank. Kadence has a reliable customer service team, and we will solve any problem you have. Customers have a risk-free guarantee when purchasing from us. All CR5 one-piece and two-piece fishing rods are constructed with 30-ton carbon matrix graphite blank, offers strongest, lightweight, durability and sensitivity than other rods. Our second best trout spinning rod is Ugly Stik Elite Spinning Fishing Rod. The best trout spinning rod available on the market right now is hands down the Ugly Stik Elite. It offers the best performance for the money than practically any other rod in its price range. If you've been using spinning rods for trout over the last 2 decades, then you've surely either used or seen an Ugly Stik rod. Their massive popularity is built on providing near high-end performance at a very affordable price. Offering added strength and increased sensitivity when compared to the original model, the Shakespeare Ugly Stik Elite Spinning Rod delivers uncompromising performance for anglers of all skill levels. The Ugly Stik Elite is made with 35% more graphite for a lighter weight while maintaining the legendary toughness you've come to expect from Ugly Stik. Cork handles offer a firm yet smooth handhold for hours of comfortable fishing and reliable hook sets. The spin rod's clear tip design responds to even the lightest nibbles and strikes and can be used with all types of line including braid for ideal versatility. Third in our list is Kadence CR7 spinning rod. The Kadence CR7 is built from 40-ton graphite and features stainless steel guides with SiC inserts, a Fuji reel seat and premium grade cork and EVA handles. Made of premium components, the CR7 series of rods from Kadence are built to deliver. The CR7 series of rods are made from materials that bring strength and sensitivity without weight. Made of 40-ton carbon, SiC guides with durable stainless steel frames, a comfortable Fuji reel seat and a blank wrapped in carbon veil to enhance the durability. The CR7 series of rods comes in 2 handle configurations, carbon split grip and full grip using a premium cork and EVA. The CR7 series from Kadence is made to deliver a premium rod at a greater value than the competition. Premium materials and its availability in many configurations, lengths and actions make the CR7 a great spinning rod ideal for game fish including freshwater fish like bass, walleye and trout. The CR7 series of spinning rods will exceed your expectations with features, quality, and design you have come to appreciate in spinning rods costing almost twice as much. With every Kadence purchase, we promise to put youth combos in the hands of our next generation through one of our charity partners. Kadence believes that fishing can bring generations together in a hectic world and impart some valuable lessons along the way. For details, let's watch more.
The CR7 series of rods from Kadence are crafted from materials that bring strength and sensitivity without weight. Constructed of 40-ton carbon, SiC guides with durable stainless steel frames, a comfortable Fuji reel seat, and a blank wrapped in carbon veil to enhance the durability. The CR7 series of rods comes in 2 different handle configurations, carbon split grip and full grip, using a premium cork and EVA. The CR7 series from Kadence is engineered to deliver a premium rod at a greater value than the competition.
Number 4 in our best trout spinning rod list is Okuma Celio Lightweight Trout. A great budget option, the Celio Trout series from Okuma is a solid little performer for the money. If you are choosing a trout rod for a kid or are looking for a decent second rod that is easy on the wallet, then you can't go far wrong with one of these. The graphite rod blanks offer a great combination of lightweight and decent sensitivity. Although these are a budget option, by no means mean they are cheap in terms of quality. Within that range you can choose the perfect performer for dissecting a weed bed, or soaking floating trout bait on a long cast. Whatever your ultralight passion, Celilo rods deliver great materials and smooth actions that add to the quality of the experience. The fisheries of the Northeast and Northwest have been in turmoil, to say the least. However, the future looks bright. The lake trout have come back strong in the last few years, and the Northwest rivers are seeing the strongest runs of salmon and steelhead in recent history. With input from some of the top fishermen on these waters, we developed the Celilo series. Throwing modesty out the window, we nailed these actions and developed the perfect salmon, trout and bottom bouncing graphite rods. Our last pick is St. Croix spinning rod for trouts. The rod has a graphite core with fortified resins that allegedly makes the St. Croix Trout series 33% stronger than traditional carbon fiber rods. We are yet to test if this is true. But don't worry. It will handle any trout that bites the bait. There are plenty of sizes to choose from. However, you only have 2 power levels, ultralight and light, and only 1 action, fast. But then again, there is no real reason to get anything more powerful. In addition, you can also choose between a single-piece rod or a 2-piece, breakable pole. In the line guide department, you get standard stainless steel hardware. St. Croix added a couple of tweaks to the rings to make them smoother and less likely to heat up. The premium side carbon rod combines with the fortified resin system for unparalleled strength and durability.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!